In this video, we'll dive into Google's AI course designed specifically for beginners. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with technology. At its core, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to advanced algorithms that power self-driving cars, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. Its significance cannot be overstated, as it drives innovation across various sectors, including healthcare, finance, and entertainment, making processes more efficient and enhancing decision-making. Whether you're a student, a professional looking to upskill, or simply curious about the world of AI, this course offers a fantastic starting point. You can expect to learn the foundational concepts of AI, explore its applications, and even get hands-on experience with practical projects. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of AI principles and how they can be applied in real-world scenarios, setting you on a path to harness the power of this groundbreaking technology. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, commonly referred to as AI, is the branch of computer science that focuses on creating systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes problem-solving, understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. The primary purpose of AI is to enhance efficiency and effectiveness in various applications, from automating mundane tasks to providing insights through data analysis. AI can be categorized into two main types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform specific tasks such as facial recognition or language translation. In contrast, general AI, or strong AI, aims to replicate human cognitive abilities across a wide range of tasks, although this level of AI remains largely theoretical at this point. Key terms associated with AI include machine learning and neural networks. Machine learning is a subset of AI that enables systems to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. Neural networks, inspired by the human brain, are a type of machine learning model that processes information in layers, making them particularly effective for complex tasks like image and speech recognition. The evolution of artificial intelligence has been a fascinating journey marked by significant milestones and groundbreaking contributions. The concept of AI dates back to the 1950s, when pioneers like Alan Turing proposed the idea of machines that could simulate human intelligence. Turing's work laid the foundation for future developments, including the Turing test, which evaluates a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior. In 1956, the Dartmouth Conference, organized by John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon, is often considered the birth of AI as a field. This event brought together key figures who would shape AI research for decades. The 1960s and 70s saw the development of early AI programs, such as ELIZA, a natural language processing program created by Joseph Weizenbaum. Despite facing challenges in the 1980s known as the AI winter, research continued to evolve. The resurgence of AI in the 21st century, fueled by advancements in computing power and data availability, has led to breakthroughs in machine learning and deep learning. Today, AI impacts various aspects of modern technology, from virtual assistants to autonomous vehicles, showcasing its transformative potential in our daily lives. Artificial intelligence is making significant strides across various industries, revolutionizing how we approach complex problems and enhance efficiency. In healthcare, AI is used for predictive analytics, helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and personalize treatment plans. For instance, IBM Watson Health analyzes vast amounts of medical data to assist in cancer treatment decisions, improving patient outcomes. In the finance sector, AI algorithms are employed for fraud detection and risk assessment. Companies like PayPal use machine learning to identify suspicious transactions in real time, safeguarding users' financial information. Additionally, robo-advisors such as Betterment utilize AI to provide personalized investment advice based on individual financial goals. Transportation is another area where AI shines, particularly with the development of autonomous vehicles. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are pioneering self-driving technology, aiming to reduce accidents and improve traffic flow. While the benefits of AI are substantial, including increased efficiency and enhanced decision-making, challenges remain. Issues such as data privacy, ethical considerations, and the need for regulatory frameworks must be addressed to ensure responsible AI implementation. Overall, the diverse applications of AI continue to shape industries, driving innovation and improving quality of life. Embarking on Google's AI course is an exciting opportunity to dive into the world of artificial intelligence. The course is structured to provide a comprehensive introduction, starting with foundational concepts and gradually progressing to more advanced topics. You'll encounter a mix of video lectures, interactive quizzes, and hands-on projects that reinforce your learning. To navigate the course effectively, it's essential to set a consistent study schedule. Break down the modules into manageable sections and allocate time for both learning and practice. Don't hesitate to revisit challenging concepts. Repetition is key to mastering new material. Additionally, take advantage of the discussion forums where you can connect with fellow learners, ask questions, and share insights. Engagement is crucial for a successful learning experience. Actively participate in exercises and projects as they provide practical applications of the theories you learn. Make notes, highlight key points, and experiment with the tools introduced in the course. By immersing yourself in the materials and collaborating with others, you'll not only enhance your understanding of AI, but also build a strong foundation for future exploration in this dynamic field. In Google's AI course, several essential concepts form the backbone of your understanding of artificial intelligence. One of the primary topics is supervised learning, where models are trained on labeled datasets. This means that the input data is paired with the correct output, allowing the model to learn patterns and make predictions. In contrast, unsupervised learning involves training models on unlabeled data, enabling them to identify hidden patterns and group similar data points without explicit guidance. Data plays a crucial role in training AI models. The quality and quantity of data directly impact the model's performance. A well-curated dataset can lead to more accurate predictions, while poor data can result in biased or ineffective models. Understanding how to pre-process and manage data is a key skill you'll develop in the course. Additionally, the importance of ethics in AI development cannot be overlooked. As AI systems become more integrated into society, ethical considerations regarding bias, transparency, and accountability are vital. The course emphasizes the need for responsible AI practices, ensuring that technology serves humanity positively and equitably. By grasping these key concepts, you'll be well equipped to navigate the complexities of AI. The future of artificial intelligence is poised for remarkable advancements, driven by emerging technologies that promise to reshape various industries. One significant trend is the rise of generative AI, which can create content, from text to images, mimicking human creativity. This technology has the potential to revolutionize fields like entertainment, marketing, and design, enabling more personalized and engaging experiences. Another exciting development is the integration of AI with the Internet of Things, IoT. As smart devices become more prevalent, AI will enhance their capabilities, allowing for smarter decision-making and automation in homes, cities, and industries. This synergy can lead to improved efficiency and sustainability, addressing pressing global challenges. Continuous learning is crucial in the rapidly evolving landscape of AI. As new algorithms and methodologies emerge, staying updated is essential for anyone looking to thrive in this field. Engaging with online courses, webinars, and industry publications can help you keep pace with the latest trends. Encouraging viewers to stay informed about AI advancements is vital. By following reputable sources and participating in discussions, you can contribute to the responsible development of AI and harness its potential for positive change in society. In this video, we've explored the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, starting with its definition and significance in today's technology-driven landscape. We discussed the evolution of AI, highlighting key milestones and influential figures who have shaped the field. We also examined various applications of AI across industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation, showcasing real-world examples that illustrate its transformative impact. Key takeaways include understanding the differences between narrow and general AI, the importance of data in training models, and the ethical considerations that must guide AI development. As we look to the future, emerging technologies like generative AI and the integration of AI with IoT promise to further revolutionize our lives. Also, please look in this video's description for AI tools and courses to help you in your journey. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable insights into the world of AI and technology. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.